The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend.
Good morning. It is like noon. It's 11:50. Kai is still asleep. Mind you, we did not go to bed super late at all. But he hasn't been like getting like his best sleeps lately. Like naps have been interrupted and shortened, and we were at my mom's, and like he just hasn't so I'm just letting him sleep in. Normally I would have woken him up just to like let's keep you on schedule, but like my baby's sleepy, so I'm gonna let him sleep. Well, actually I am about to get him up because it's like noon, but we have to go pick up our Whole Foods order. I did because you guys know I go to Whole Foods and Target every single week at the top of the week, but we have to, and it's Monday, December 2nd. Hi, I'm Kayla. How are you? I love you. Thank you for being here. But yeah, we have to go to Whole Foods. We go there every single week. Last week, for the first time, I did like a drive-up order with Whole Foods, and so I'm gonna do that again because for one, it's so cold outside. Like I don't want to go out, but like we have to. Yesterday we were out and about, so I would have went by myself, but since yesterday we were out and things, I didn't get a chance to go. But typically I would like to go by myself just because it's so cold right now and I don't want Kai like out in the cold, but at least we can like stay toasty and warm in the car. But I'll probably do the Whole Foods, like the grocery haul, like in the car with you guys because I just know he's not going to be patient enough. Like after we get home from the store, he's going to want his oatmeal and all the things, and typically he would eat right away, but like since we're just going to go out and pick up our stuff because we got to go to Whole Foods and then we're going to go to Target, and I'm just trying to be quick so then we can come home and I can feed him his breakfast, well, late lunch. Don't judge me. Yeah, he's so sleepy, so I was like, let me take this time to get myself together because typically none of this would have happened. We'd have just been out the house dry face and all. But yeah, I really like my hair. It's like the curls aren't the easiest to like it's time for me to wash it. Like they're weighed down with product and stuff, but I just sprayed some water in there just to like make it look like a little something because I put way too much product in there yesterday, so it was like looking just dry and like casty kinda. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. I love it a lot. I don't know when I'm taking it out. Maybe the end of the month or the beginning of next month. But I love it. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll get another month in this. But we just did our morning skincare. As you guys saw, I went to the gym this morning. I did legs. You guys know that. My full glute routine. Well, I did glutes, but my full glute routine is on my channel. I'll have it linked down below so that you guys can see that. But yeah, let's go get him up, and I'm gonna just throw something on him. A sweater and sweatpants or something. We'll probably just see you guys in the car because I'm trying to move a little quick. We already passed the pickup window, which I mean it's still fine, but it's my little ring. She's so cute. And then remember the ring I got from the Dior jewelry video I did? I still wear this. I just switched it from this hand to this. My everyday rings. But okay, let's go. I'll see you guys in the car. Hey guys. So we just got Sprite.
No!
Okay, yeah, I don't know if he's gonna allow me to show you guys, but we'll see.
No!
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work out because he's gonna see me pull it out and he's gonna want this stuff, and yeah, so I'll see you at home. I'll tell you later what we got. I'll just read down the list.
No!
I'm sorry, but it's one of the mornings. Okay.
That's right.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're home. Yeah, that was a lot. We've been home for about 30 minutes now. Fed him. He's all good, in a better mood.
Mom.
Hi, boo.
Wristband.
Yeah, wristband. He was feeling a little, you know, because I had to wake him up, and you know how that goes. You're not feeling in the greatest mood, so it's okay. And when I got home, there's no way I had time to like show you guys, and I had stuff that needed to go in the freezer. Sorry, I'm so tired. What did I say? Oh, I got my phone out so I can tell you guys what I got. Yeah, there's no way I was gonna be able to show you guys in here either because yeah, he was like yelling at me, and I had to put the stuff up, that stuff in the freezer. But I'll let you know what I got. So from Whole Foods, so I got some kettle chips. I think they're kettle. I don't know. I don't think they're kettle. It's whatever. I got some coleslaw mix, and the kettle chips are for Kai. He likes those. Yes, I have a few. I got some shredded coleslaw, salmon, ground turkey, because I think I'm gonna do tacos tonight. I didn't see the taco. I gotta look. I didn't see the taco mix. I'll see. Let me check. Oatmeal. I got more of his cookies that he likes. Egg whites, liquid egg whites, breakfast chicken sausage. My favorite like chocolate bars, the keto bars. Strawberries, which I'm getting a little too comfy because, you know, not everyone, you have to go and pick your own strawberries. But of course, if I was in the store, I take my time and like, but it's okay. And then I got some turkey pepperoni. That's from Whole Foods. And then from Tajay, I got a new lip gloss I gotta tell you guys. Because I'm still trying to find, like, I like the last, like, lip combo. I don't even think I told you guys. But, like, for example, the lip you guys saw me in yesterday, it's fine. But, like, I'm still trying to find my, like, new excited lip combo that's gonna get me excited. But okay, so, but then I got my normal like turkey bacon, our favorite gluten-free crackers. They're like flax, multi-grain flax rice crackers. Oikos, 000 vanilla yogurt. Hi, boo-boo. Avocado oil spray and coconut oil spray. I got some plastic spoons and forks.
Coconut.
Kind frozen bars. And then I also, remember that shirt, that brown one? Hi, boo-boo. Coconut, yes. Remember that brown shirt I got to wear on Thanksgiving? I got the red one, and it's gonna be delivered. It's only $12, so I'm like, I have to get it. It's on sale. But yeah, coconut, come here. You're feeling better?
I'm so sad.
No, you're feeling better. He's feeling much happier, right? Look, tell them. So I'm feeling much happier.
More.
Got cookies on my face. And I forgot water. You guys know I get water all the time. Don't mind my baby's hair, okay? We didn't have time to brush and do all the things.
More.
Hold on, Kai. Give mommy a hug.
More. More.
I got some packages I want to open up with you guys. I can do that later. Because right now he's not going to let me.
Mom.
Don't hurt mom. Oh, thank you. It's okay. Mama's not hurt.
I'm not hurt. No. Mom.
It's okay. Alright guys, I'm about to chill out for a little bit for this guy and give him all the attention he wants because that's what he wants.
Ouch.
I love you. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Thank you. I love you. Okay, I love you guys. See you in a second.
No.
That one. Hi guys. Oh, the lights are making it like do that weird thing. I'm sorry guys, but it's a lot of time later. What time is it, boo?
Probably like 6, 7 o'clock.
6, 7 o'clock. I'm gonna have to record this part on my phone because this looks crazy. But, or maybe if I go like this. No, you're still gonna see it. But we're putting up the tree, guys. I'm sorry about these lights. I'm so sorry. Hold on. So, I switched to my phone because I'm like, I don't want y'all to see in that light or whatever. But Dada, so basically, I need to put some stuff on my lips. I'm sorry, excuse that. I'm just so excited because it truly, first off, we're very late. I normally have this stuff up, Christmas stuff, November 1st, okay? October 31st if I can. But we're putting up the tree. Dada just surprised me by putting on the lights. I was editing tonight's vlog. It's gonna be a late upload tonight, but it's okay. But Dada got ornaments. He went to Target Saturday or Sunday, one of these days, and he got some ornaments. And
Need help.
you need help? What are you trying to get?
Top.
What are you trying to get?
Out.
Which one?
Glasses.
Oops, I'm sorry. Oy.
There you go.
You're welcome. But this is what we have so far. Still cleaning up and stuff, but we're just doing it as we go. But yeah, we had to like rearrange some things. But I'm so excited. And Dad is doing all the ornaments. How cute is this? Adorable.